Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got some thrilling news for all you Figma users out there. Brace yourselves because Figma Prototyping just got a massive upgrade. Let's dive right in, shall we? First up, say goodbye to boring prototypes. Now, you can showcase your mobile designs in sleek, resizable device frames. iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, you name it, Figma's got it covered. When noodles are selected, a user can copy and paste the noodle to a different element. I have 3 screens, and I'm setting up connections between them. When I click on an image, it takes me to a detailed screen. Now, to create a back connection, I added a noodle from the detail screen back to the first page. Then, I use Ctrl+C to copy the back interaction, and Ctrl+V to paste it onto the back text in the next frame. Voila! The connection is automatically replicated with the same interaction. This streamlined process makes my design work much easier. Now, press Delete or Backspace to remove both noodles. Nice, isn't it? No more fussing around. Simply drag that flow label outside of the frame and poof, it's gone. Next is, customize your experience by turning off Enable Figma shortcuts. It's all about control. I'm currently on the prototype's presentation screen, navigating through the screens using the left and right arrow keys on my keyboard. Let me disable these keyboard shortcuts from the options drop-down and observe the impact. Oops, it seems I can't navigate to the next screen using keyboard shortcuts anymore. Need that width or height set to 0? Now you can. It's the little things that count. After delay can now be set on events on every node and not just on top-level frames. Now, a user can have more than one enable after delay on a frame. Let's give it a try. I'm going to create a node on this image to connect it with the next 2 frames. I'll select after delay from the options and set the time to 2 milliseconds. Then, I'll add another animation to the same node. Next, I'll change the frame navigation to the last frame and set all of those animations to Smart Animate. Now, let's see how it works. I'll just click on the first card and observe how all the details appear one after the other. That's fantastic. That means we don't have to create animation frame to frame. From single frame, I was able to make multiple animations using start delay. No more accidentally scaling when you didn't mean to. Figma's got your back with Auto Exit Scale. Figma auto-exits the Scale tool when clicking me into the Prototyping tab. Sharing made easy. Now you can share links to specific flows within your file with just a click. A new copy link icon button has been added next to the flow label in the Properties panel so users can share links to a specific flow within a file. Get that perfect fit every time. Resize your prototype preview to match the actual size effortlessly. If no device frame is enabled, a user can now resize the inline preview of a prototype to the actual size of the previewed prototype. If a device frame is enabled, the inline preview can resize to the size of the device. No more distractions. start typing immediately with auto-focused input fields. When a user creates a new flow, the input is auto-focused immediately so that you can start typing its name. And Figma has also introduced 5 updates on prototyping with variables. Additionally, prototyping performance has improved, now with 22% fewer spinners in key use cases. There you have it, 15 plus enhancements and new features to take your prototyping game to the next level. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.